Hey guys, it's Myles and Giles. Today we're going to be cooking red pesto fish skewers and an olive and cucumber salad. Yeah, let's go. Right, Charlie, what are you starting with?
Right, I'm getting this lovely fish in with the pesto. Give it a good mix around in the bowl. Make sure you marinate it fully.
Here you go. And Giles, I've got him some yellow peppers to go on those fish skewers as well.
Look at that teamwork.
Got a panic about the time today, we're really going. Right, over here, I'm going to start
Look
off
at that teamwork.
with the olive and cucumber salad, okay? So nice and quick, just grab yourself half a cucumber, and then you're just going to come into it, chop it. It doesn't have to be perfect. You know, we're all about speed here. Getting it done, getting quick meals, quick healthy meals.
Nearly done with these skewers. In they go.
So we've got the olives as well, so you've just got some pitted black olives here. And really add that saltiness, that lovely flavour to the salad. Hopefully they're all picked, this one not, so get rid of him. And then finish off the salad, we're just going to use some cherry tomatoes. Nice little tip here, use a serrated knife. Okay, it's going to be a lot easier to chop, especially if you don't have the sharpest knife in your
Focusing on that chopping skills, man. These chopping skills over here are way better.
Oh, Jesus, man. Oh, someone's been, you've been learning,
got to get even covering.
Cherry tomatoes into quarters, get them into that little salad bowl as well. Little tip, the old lemon, give it a little roll. This is your favourite tip, isn't it? Okay, give it a little roll, you'll be able to get the juice out a little bit easier. Just going to mix all of that together. Okay, I don't really think you need to season this one. You know, you're going to get that saltiness coming through from the olives anyway. Okay, who said salads had to be boring?
Good.
Let's do it, let's get them on. Get them on.
1, 2, and done.
Right guys, for more videos like this one, make sure you head to our YouTube channel, hit subscribe, make sure you like this video as well, and you'll be able to see way more of us cooking up.